Hi, I'm Deleon, founder of HomeTeam GameDev. Now, if you haven't heard of us, HomeTeam has been making over 200 games in the past 9 years. Now, none of the games are big. They're all freeware on basically no budget, but they're being built by our members for learning, for portfolio, for practice, and it's a model that's inspired by groups I established back in 2004, 20 years ago at Carnegie Mellon, or 2010, 14 years ago at Georgia Tech, that I'm making this video today in part because there's a new group being started, newer than even HomeTeam GameDev, called SAATH, S-A-A-T-H, being founded by Bilal Cheema, and it is something which within the country of Pakistan is specifically for developers who perhaps want an opportunity to have this kind of experience in a way that might include some native Urdu language, in a way that might include other people in their community groups who have similar design interests, who have similar career challenge they're navigating as peers. And so it's just a wonderful thing. I put out a call probably about a year ago. I gave a big talk, put a video up on YouTube of who kind of helped start a community like this. And I was so glad when Bilal contacted me about it because he's been just one of our just outstanding members in HomeTeam. I first found him 5 years ago. He was award winner in an extra credits jam. I had helped written some episodes for that YouTube channel, so I was on the judging side. And in that time, he has been a lead on 5 incredibly impressive, fun games. At the same time, I know he was also a community leader in his area, working with IGDA locally, and other kind of groups that he was helping organize, as well as getting freelance professional experience. And so all around, outstanding person to be starting a group like this. Good communicator, good designer, good programmer. I see he's also been giving workshops and stuff. I've known lots of people who make games, and Bilal is one of these rare types who, in addition to making good games and being good at it, I am also confident help other people become the game developers that they want to be. So if you're seeing this video, you're thinking about, you want to join SAATH, it's something that makes sense for you, I think it's a great group. I think it's great that he's doing it. He's modeling it closely after what we're doing in a way that is, again, informed by decades. And truly, over 500 games have been released across between the 2 other clubs I started and my current groups and HomeTeam. Hundreds of games have gone through this process. And Bilal is building on and adapting and iterating that to, as best as possible, fit and suit the circumstances for developers in Pakistan. So Bilal Cheema, I want to say thanks to you for doing this. For everybody who's thinking about it, hop in there, get involved in SAATH. I think you're not going to regret it. Get a lot of good experience, learn a lot of things, grow your portfolios, and just generally have a great time making games.